Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this channel deals with mathematics. I will be solving all grade problems. So over here we have a problem in which we are supposed to find the solution for the inequation, that is x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 less than equal to 2. The mistake that students do usually is they tend to cross multiply, and when they cross multiply they are going to get the solution as x belongs to close bracket 10 comma infinity. Now I wouldn't say this is a wrong solution, but when we talk about solution it should be a combination or a union of all the solution. Now this is a part of the solution because if you take any element from the set, the equation is going to be satisfied, but that does not mean that this is the final solution, and there is no option as such in the given options as well. Now let us see the correct way to solve. Now, as we know that if 2 is greater than 1 and when we multiply or divide either side by a negative number, the inequality gets reversed, as we can see over here. Right? Now, the mistake that we were doing in the previous case was we were not keeping in mind what if x minus 3 is negative. In that case, the inequality is going to get reversed. Now, there are two possibilities, whether it is greater than 0 or it may be less than 0. Now the correct way to solve is I'm going to bring all the numbers on the right hand side, the left hand side, going to take the LCM, and then the simplified version or the simplified inequality will be 10 minus x divided by x minus 3 less than equal to 10. Now here is the important concept that we are supposed to know. For example, if minus 2 by 3 is less than equal to 2, then we can say that the product of those two numbers is also less than equal to 0. As we know that if we multiply two numbers and one of the number is negative and the other one is positive, we tend to get a negative number. Similarly in case of division as well. So these two inequalities can be combined together and can be rewritten in a different way as well. So what we can say is one of the numerator or denominator is negative and the other one is positive. One more thing that we should be very much careful about is the denominator shall never be negative. That means what? X minus 3 should not be equal to 0. And there we get the conclusion that x is not equal to 3. Now from this inequality we get that either 10 minus x is less than equal to 0 or x minus 3 is greater than 0. Or 10 minus x is greater than 0 and x minus 3 is less than 0. Now we have two cases. As I said, you need to keep in mind that x is not equal to 3, and that is the reason in these two cases I am not writing x minus 3 greater than equal to 0 or x minus 3 less than equal to 0. So the equal to sign we are not getting. And also as you can see in the option, no option is having closed bracket in 3 because we can very easily eliminate that option because it's incorrect. Now let's come back here. So I'm going to name both these inequalities as case 1 and case 2. As we keep on solving, the first inequality is going to give you, the first case will give you a combined result of x belongs to close bracket 10 to infinity because 10 is having equal to sign. And the case 2, we have x less than equal to 10 and x less than 3. Combined result is x less than 3. As you can see in the picture number line, hollow circle means the number is not included, whereas colored circle means it is included. So overall we get x belongs to minus infinity to 3 and both in open brackets. Now these two cases combinedly is going to give us the solution, which is joined using union. So the symbol is called as union. So x belongs to minus 3 comma infinity union close bracket 10 to infinity is our final solution. I hope you understood